Welcome to Beyond Just Money with Samta. And today with me, I have Nidhi Sinha, who is the head of content of Calkine Media with us. Now, if we look at the average UK house prices, they have touched a record high in the month of April for the second consecutive month, breaking the previous 5-year high. So today we will be discussing the top house building stocks listed on the London Stock Exchange. Welcome, Nidhi.
Thanks, Samta, for having me on the show.
Well, Nidhi, how are you looking at the rising house prices in the UK?
Well, the recently released reports make it clear that housing prices are rising. The average property price in the UK has improved 8.2% year over year in April. Housing prices are rising in the UK primarily because of the government's policy, wherein it extended the stamp duty holiday till June 2021. The data in April, in fact, overshadowed the record high that was seen in the previous month of March as the market held up the positive streak. The extended stamp duty holiday might have really urged citizens to secure assets at attractive prices and would have increased disposable income, boosting spending naturally. According to Russell Galley, who's the overseeing head of Halifax, the recent trend is expected to continue until June, which can be positive for housing and rental stocks in the exchange. As demand has been piling up, this scenario can lead to a boom in the housing industry. Meanwhile, data from HMRC, which is Her Majesty's Revenue and Customs, for monthly property transactions for UK home sales witnessed an increase in the month of March to the highest ever level, while data from Bank of England for the same month revealed that mortgage borrowing in the country touched 11.8 billion pounds, which is the strongest month since the start of the records back in 1993. So the market is definitely heating up.
Certainly. And amid this jubilant report of rising house prices, which are the top house building stocks to look at?
Two stocks that one may consider are Persimmon and Barratt Developments. Persimmon is a UK-based holding organization. The company is into the business of house building within the nation. It offers a wide choice of homes from studio lofts to family homes in roughly 380 localities. The company constructs homes under the brand name of Charles Church, and it has delivered a 5.6 annual earnings growth over the past 5 years. It has also given a return of about 42.35% in the last 1 year. The other one, Barratt Developments, is also into house building and business improvement business in the Great Britain. The company focuses on providing homes to first-time owners, and it offers a scope of environment-friendly properties across England, Scotland, and Wales. Wilson Bowden Developments is the company's business improvement arm, which basically focuses on retail, relaxation, offices, and other blended use plans. The offerings from Wilson Bowden basically ranges from single destinations to office stops and significant town community recovery projects. Barratt has given a return of around 53.20% in the last 1 year.
Thank you so much, Nidhi, for coming on the show and sharing top house building stocks that our listeners may consider.
Thank you, Samta. It's always a pleasure to be on your show.
To listen to this podcast again, please log on to our website, that is calkinemedia.com, or you could also go on our YouTube channel. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell icon to get notifications of the latest videos and podcasts. Until we see you next with yet another insightful episode of Beyond Just Money, stay apprised and invest wise with Calkine, your best guide.